Bike Check-in Explained. Simplifying travel with your bicycle. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that often puzzles English language learners: bike check-in. This is especially useful if you're someone who loves to travel with your bicycle. Let's explore what this means, when you might encounter it, and how to use it correctly. Bike check-in refers to the process of registering your bicycle as a part of your luggage when traveling, especially when flying. This is important to know because different transport services have specific rules and fees for transporting bicycles. You will typically encounter this phrase when you are flying with a bicycle, booking tickets online or at a station and need to declare that you're bringing a bicycle, preparing for a trip where you plan to cycle. 1. Contact the airline or transport service. Different companies have different policies and fees. 2. Packing your bike. Bikes need to be properly packed, usually in a bike bag or box. 3. At the check-in counter, declare your bicycle and pay any applicable fees. 4. Collecting your bike. Upon arrival, you'll collect your bike at oversized luggage or the normal conveyor belt. Check the airline's weight and size limits. Avoid extra charges by being aware of these limits. Prepare your bike. Detach parts that can be easily broken, like mirrors or lights. Label your bike box. Clearly mark it with your contact information. And that's a wrap on understanding bike check-in. Whether you're an avid cyclist or planning your first trip with your bike, knowing how to check in your bicycle can make your journey smoother. We hope this video helps you on your next adventure. Safe travels and happy cycling!